What's the meaning of concur? Concur. Concur.
Concur. Concur. The term concur means to agree with or support someone or something. When individuals concur, they share the same opinion, viewpoint, or perspective. The result of concurrence is a sense of unity and harmony, often leading to effective collaboration, cooperation, and decision-making. Through concurrence, individuals can establish a common understanding, create a shared vision, and achieve a sense of mutual trust and respect. In summary, concurrence is critical for promoting positive relationships, building strong teams, and fostering a spirit of inclusiveness and cooperation in all aspects of life.